Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Firstly, I'll share my screen. Can you see them?
We can.
Okay, great. So today I'll be talking about scheduling reports. At times when the reports are quite heavy, it might take a long time to generate, especially reports like consolidated transaction report, which shows the list of transactions that has been triggered to be posted. Since it has a lot of information, it will take a long time to generate. And if we need that report to be generated every month or every quarter end, instead of generating it and waiting, we can schedule them for midnight or so, and the next day it will be readily available. We can, it can set to automatically run on a monthly or quarterly basis, and we can schedule up to 20 different reports at a time for each type of report. We can only see the schedules and reports that we generate ourselves. So we cannot see any schedule that are generated by other users. And let's go to the demo. So I'm taking consolidated transaction report, and I have already set up all the filter. I've saved a filter. And the period here starts from January to December 2023. So instead of clicking on generate and taking a long time, you can click on schedule. Here we can select either monthly or quarterly. And let's select monthly for now. And then set the day as 1st of every month at 12 a.m. And if we select, let's say 30 over here, then no report will be generated for the month of February. Therefore, I prefer getting the reports on 1st at 12 a.m. or so, and I get the details until the end of the last day of prior month. Another thing to note is the log entries over here are in Coordinated Universal Time, UTC. And now if we select the increment period start or increment period end checkbox, it will increment the reporting period start or end dates of the next scheduled report. If these both are unchecked, then the scheduled reports will cover the same reporting period. For example, here we have from January to December on our first report. The next period will also be January to December if these two are unchecked. But if we check them, for example, let's say I check increment period start, then we will have the first report from January to December, and the second report will be from February to December, and then March to December. And if I click on increment period date, then even the end date will move. The first report will be from January to December, and the second report will be from February to January 2024, and then March 2023 to February 2024, and so on. And once we schedule them, we can find the list over here, and we can have up to 20 per report. And once the scheduled time has passed, we'll see the download button, and we can click on them to extract the Excel file. Do we have any question?
No, no questions. You may continue, Pratima.
That's it for me. I will pass on to Haley now.
Thank you so much, Pratima.
I have a question.
Yeah, sure.
Is there an option to, because I see the period starts, for example, January 2023, and the period ends is December 2023. Is there an option that I can download, for example, as I do the reports bi-monthly? For example, for September, is there an option that I can put January until September?
You can definitely keep the period end as September. And then
after
schedule
that, do
them.
the schedule. Okay. Oh, okay.
And again, if you
Great.
want the same report, then you can you just need to keep the increment button unchecked.
Okay, great. I see now. Thank you.